Wow, tig-isa na naman tayong kama. Facilitator hat on tayo ngayon.
Sabotage nyo, sabotage nyo!
Let's make it happen!
See you later. Wow, tig-isa na naman tayong kama.
Go!
Two beds. Tig-isa kami ni Mrs. And a TV. One. And this part naman is ito yung mga tea. Ooh, nice yung CR, oh. Welcome to Timberland. So, Opelia is our client for tomorrow sa team building nila. Punta tayo sa ballroom saan natin i-conduct yung team building tomorrow. Climbing for the kids. Hi guys! Ito na naman ang inyong traveling mind reader at nandito na naman tayo sa isang hotel room dahil nandito tayo sa Timberland Highlands Resort dahil magko-conduct tayo ng isang team building kasama ang Conscious Alchemy at syempre isasama ko kayo at ipapakita ko na naman sa inyo ang isang parte ng buhay ko because aside from being a mentalist, aside from performing mentalism, nagtotalk din po ako sa mga companies, hinahire tayo para mag-speak sa kanila, magturo sa kanila ng mga sales and persuasion techniques. Pero nandito tayo ngayon para mag-conduct ng team building yan sa isang company. So, facilitator hat on tayo ngayon. Kaya naman, syempre, isasama ko kayo. Magkita-kita tayo bukas para sa team building na yun. For now, magpapahinga muna tayo. Alright? Good night!
The next morning.
Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your minds for the most sought-after mind reader in the Philippines, the mental assassin, Justin Pinion.
Good morning, Opera! Are you excited for today? Alright!
My wife and I watched him. One of the first...
Go around, go here, and then to the other side. Yes. Then only
Sabotage nyo! Ayaw umangat! So, Master Justin, Master Trista, and Master Jolly, thank you very, very much.
Thank you.
Can we have one picture with you?